Get Joe Montana free, Pat Riley free, Buster Douglas free, Super Monaco GP free, or Collins free. What Nintendo? Buy a 16-bit Genesis system between now and October 31st.
Sega challenges you with the ultimate video games. Sega challenges you with the ultimate video games. Games that'll blow you away. Like Alex Kidd in Miracle World. And coming soon, Monopoly.
We at Sega have learned that some people are actually throwing their one-color portables away. We urge you to stop. There are still many practical uses for them. Fix a wobbly chair. Look, a cat massager. Spread cheese snacks.
Jerry's pain has appeared in homes across America.
Redouble his power.
Go! Just stick it in your Genesis.
Alright, baby.
Let me see that again.
32.
Let's go! Hey! You still don't have a Sega CD? What are you waiting for? Nintendo to make one? You have seen the game, right? Wrong answer, man. Show 'em!